I'm Libby. I work in the plant centre and I'm here to talk to you today because, just like me, over winter our plants go to sleep. So that sleepy period, more technically known as winter dormancy, starts with a process called leaf abscission. This is where the plant reabsorbs nutrients, firstly by breaking down chlorophyll and then all the other compounds within the leaf, to absorb the nutrients, to push them into the roots to use over winter and for re-creating leaves in spring. That process, as it removes the chlorophyll, turns the leaf from green chlorophyll through to yellows and oranges, which is the carotenoids, which take much longer to break down. There are some plants that inject a pigment, which is red, into those leaves to try and prevent aphids sap-sucking those leaves during the leaf abscission process. Once all of the nutrients has been reabsorbed, the leaf will then use a chemical process or a chemical pair of scissors to cut the leaf from the tree before creating winter dormancy. Beech, Fagus sylvatica, hornbeam, Carpinus betulus, and the pedunculate oak, Quercus robur, are slightly different. They go through a process that we refer to as marcescence. So the abscission process starts in the same way. The nutrients is reabsorbed by the tree, but instead of the chemical scissors cutting the leaf off, the leaf will hold over winter and then drop in spring as the new growth comes through. Now, with beech, as we know, it stays really well over winter. It's a really strong leaf that is not affected quite so heavily by the elements, wind and rain and snow, whereas hornbeam, which has a much lighter leaf, which is far more delicate, will get knocked off a lot easier. Similar with oak. But beech holds well, and it can be used quite effectively as a screen in a garden over winter. Who else could they got to talk about autumn colour when they've got silly ginger hair?